At Foundersport.com, building a custom sublimated 5-day tech tee or Badger Chroma Gear product is easy. There are 3 ways into the builder. If you happen to know a style number, you can simply search for it in the search bar. Or, as a quick shortcut to a category, click Sublimation and pick which category or Badger Chroma Gear item you want. Or last, start in the Builder Start page by going to the top menu and clicking Builder Sublimation. From here, you can see all active categories. In this case, we have Tech Tees and Badger Chroma Gear. You also get a quick snapshot into our current lead times, or you can retrieve a save code or web reference code from another item built on this particular builder. We're going to click Badger Chroma Gear. From there, we will select our product type, whether it be a sublimated tee, long sleeve, short, base layer, polo. We're going to click a long sleeve women's tee, and then we'll click a design such as Legend. This gets us right into the builder to finish off this design. Completing your 5-day tech tee or Badger Chroma Gear project is easy at Foundersport.com. Once you've gotten into the builder, let's get some colors. We're going to do a project for Myers Park, so step 1, let's pick the colors of Kelly Green, white, and black. And our colors are grouped and labeled according to athletic, battlefield, earth tones, electric, fluorescent, or spirit. But in this case, we've got all the colors we want. And we can quickly check to make sure we've got the right design. All designs have now been sliced into the colors we've chosen. In this case, we're going to stick with Legend and get some decorations on there. You can add decorations either in text or graphic, and graphics can be uploaded in any format: JPEG, PNG, SVG, EPS, AI, or PDF. Once you've uploaded a graphic, it will be saved in your graphics library, as all these have for me. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this previously uploaded graphic, drop in some color notes, and make sure I've got it in the right location and at the right height. In this case, we do, so we will save changes. But since this is Chroma Gear, we're not limited by number of graphics or number of colors, so we're going to pick a couple other graphics. We'll grab this particular Marching Mustangs badge. We're going to go ahead and move that to the upper left sleeve. There we go. Again, we can adjust the height if we need to, but it looks good. We'll save those changes and drop in one more decoration. In this case, we'll grab this Myers Park badge, same color notes, and we'll put this on the upper right sleeve. As a last step for this particular design, let's add a player name. So with text, we could do a team name, a player name, or a player number. We're going to add a player name. We'll do that in white and outline it in black. We can adjust the height or the font. In this case, we're going to move the font into a collegiate type font, and we'll do a text effect of vertical arch. At this point, we've got all of our decorations done, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Once your Chroma Gear garment is designed, completing the roster is easy on the new builder. You can either add players individually simply by typing the name, if the name is on the product, selecting which gender. And a cool benefit here is that off of a single mock-up, you can order an adult, a women's, or a youth style without building another mock-up or having a different roster. Once you've selected a gender, just pick the right size and the quantity needed. But even easier and faster, download a roster template right from the site, which looks like this. Configure your information into the right formats, and then upload that roster right back. So here's an example that we've already built. And just like that, We've got our entire team uploaded across adult and youth in the right sizes and the right quantities with the right names. We'll save those changes, and we're ready for final review and checkout. Once your Chroma Gear garment is all built, sometimes you've got to share it with your customer for a final confirmation before placing that order. The Save and Share function makes this incredibly easy. At the bottom of the Builder window is a button called Save and Share. Click it, and you have a couple things come up. First, this Chroma Gear garment is now associated with this web reference number. Anyone who has this web reference number can pull it up in the Builder Start menu. But even easier, you can copy this sharing link to your clipboard and send it in an email as a clickable link. Your customer can simply click on that link, be brought right to this page in the Builder where they will see exactly what decorations have been built. They'll see the MSRP rather than your price and can be able to make any changes that they wish. One final pro tip on Save and Share. There's a pencil right next to My Save Design. By clicking that, you can actually give your designs names, which make them easier to search and keep track of later. So in this case, I'm just going to call this Myers Park Band, and everything is buttoned up and squared away. A key benefit of using the new Builder at foundersport.com is that you can order both custom sublimated 5-day Tech T Chroma Gear projects and Badger Chroma Gear products, as well as stock and decorated stock in the same shopping cart with the same order and same checkout. Once you've got your Badger or Allison Chroma Gear item built and added to the cart, finish shopping by adding any stock items you want, and then simply proceed to checkout. This works just like it always has on foundersport.com. You'll pick an address, choose a shipping method, and then choose a payment method. You have your default address already selected, or your address book is there available to you. So in this case, I'll just grab this California address. My stock items, since I'm above $200, are eligible for free 3-day shipping. But for my custom sublimated items, I need to pick the rate at which it's going to ship. But a benefit of the new system is it will tell you exactly what your costs are per each rate of shipping. Last, pick the method that you want to pay, add your purchase order, proceed to review, and then complete the purchase.